Turn up to this one, no heat and no hot water. Boiler's coming up with a fault code EA229, which is ignition lockout. First thing I'm going to do is reset it and have a listen. It is, yeah. As you can hear by the customer, it is getting cold and it sounds like a washing machine in here, so I'm going to whip the case off. That noise means it's a block condense, but whether it's coming from the pipe or whether it's coming from the trap, let's have a look. You can see bugs floating around inside there. Doesn't take a lot for a bug to block the breather hole, but to see for sure I'm going to take this black elbow off and see if there's water there. If there's water, it means it's probably blocked further down the line, but it's not, so I'm confident in saying it's a trap. So I'm going to undo the securing screw and pull the trap out. So you can see the water pouring from down the back, so I've got to make some kind of deflector to put it into the bowl. These traps aren't the easiest to get out on a good day, let alone when it's backed up full of water. Right, with that out, you can see I'm filling it with water and it's not discharging. So I have to clean it out. I'm going to free up the breather hole by blowing in it backwards. This should dislodge any debris sat in there. There's one discharge hole and there's one breather hole, nice and clear. So now we test it before we put it back and you can see it discharging away. We're going to pop the trap back in, turn the power on and give it a check. That sounds better straight away, it doesn't sound like a washing machine anymore. The reason why it sounded like a washing machine is because the water's backed up into the heat exchanger, well, into the burner, and the fan's pushing down onto that water, creating all the bubbles and the washing machine sound. Anyway, get this tested. No, I'm alright, thank you. Green light means go. You see the little flame symbol lit. That's the hot water check. Now I'm going to check the heat in. It's always good to check both. Can hear it click in. Radiator symbol shows it's picked up the heat in demand. Blue light's on. Yeah, it's fine, thank you. Flame symbol's there. Radiator's getting warm. That's another one done. Happy days.